Hello, Dave and Sandy. It's so nice to be speaking with you again, and we're very excited to be presenting your new kitchen to you. So follow along. We're going to talk through the plan, the details, all the components for your brand new kitchen. So I know we wanted to do a little bit of a traditional colonial style, but something that meets a modern, functional, amazing, spacious kitchen as well. So with your floor plan over here, we wanted to make the most of how the kitchen could work for you, because this is the heart of your home. You spend so much time in it, and maximizing all of the space whilst having some new function and technology and all this sort of thing. We just wanted to bring it all together, mesh it in. So let's look at this little triangle here. You've got your fridge, freezer, sink, cooktop, lots of counter space for making chutneys and all that sort of thing. Dishwasher just to the right of the sink when you're standing at it. And under the sink you've got some pull-out bins, drawers, that sort of thing. These little organizer drawers from Blum are just amazing, and we've put some of those in here for you so you can organize all your utensils and that sort of thing. You don't have to have them out on the bench causing clutter. So we wanted to really maximize that functionality for you. Now also on this side of the bench, corners are very interesting, and we wanted to make sure we didn't lose any space, because we know how much you love space, and to use all these little storage areas and nooks. So on your working side of the kitchen, you've got drawers, cupboards, all of this sort of thing with your everyday items. Now on the other side, to make the most of this corner, we popped in this little cupboard so you can put little knickknacks or things that you maybe don't use as often over here. So they're tucked away, but you're really utilizing all the space, which is awesome. And some 3 beautiful stools. You can sit really comfortably along this side. And this also helps for that interaction into the kitchen if someone's cooking. And behind, you've obviously got those beautiful bifold doors going to your outdoor area. So this is like really has that inside, outside space. Everything's very well connected. Now, the kitchen, ovens. We've put a Miele set together for you, which has got your pyrolytic oven, steam oven and microwave, and a warming drawer, which is awesome for when you're entertaining or you just want to keep things warm. If you've sort of you want to cook a few things at once, it's so amazing. And again, maximizing the functionality. A little sliding door to your walk-in pantry. So we've got shelves along the back wall, and we wanted to keep a wall for either a wine rack, or if you want to stand up some brooms, just have them tucked into the corner, maybe hang some aprons, that sort of stuff. It's always nice to have a full wall so you can really do something with that space. And of course a little coffee nook and counter with a bar fridge, wine fridge underneath. Okay, now let's talk about some of these finishes that we've selected for you to bring in a little bit of character, that colonial style. Feature lights always bring character, and these chairs are just so colonial with the wood and the woven back. Now these are going to be really comfortable. They're a perfect height for the bench. And they just tie in with everything. They mold straight in with the floor. It's a beautiful dark wood floor. These porcelain slab bench tops, which are so amazing. They're heat resistant, scratch resistant, stain resistant. They are solid, and you will not have any issues with them, which is amazing. Now, I've just popped in a few little perspective shots for you so you can have a look at what the space will feel like and how things all work together. So I hope I've covered everything for you, and this was a very, very exciting project to work on, and I hope that this is your dream kitchen. So thanks again, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.